This lesson is going to be solving equations with pronumerals on both sides. So it's really important that we have a look at this, okay? And I put something in green there, and I just want to highlight it. And it says we're going to solve equations with pronumerals on both sides by first moving one of the pronumerals from one side to another. That's going to be really important. Write that down. Press pause if you have to. We're going to solve this. Okay, so in this situation we have a problem, okay? And the problem is that we have a pronumeral there and we have a pronumeral there, okay? So we need to first deal with our problems head on. So we need to sort that problem out, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that one to that side, okay? But at first I'm going to ask myself a question. Is that a positive 2x? And it is. And I'm going to treat that as one whole number. So I'm going to take 2x away from that, cross it out, take 2x there, okay? And now all I have to do is treat this as just a normal equation. What's 5x minus 2x? And if you said 3x, you'll be correct, because it's just a simple equation. And then I'm just going to write this 5 down, so plus 5 equals, what am I left with on this side? Just the positive 11. So I'm going to write 11, okay? So now I go on and solve it in a way that I normally would do it. So I'm blanking this one out because I want to look at the other side, and I say what's furthest away from the x on the same side? And if you said plus 5, you'd be 100% correct. So that you go minus 5, which is the opposite. And now I have to go minus 5 on this side. So I'm left with just the 3x on this side. So I go 3x equals, and 11 minus 5, that's 6. So now what I'm going to do is undo the times 3 by dividing by 3. Therefore, x equals 2. So in these situations, I just want you to do them step by step. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to do the next question, which is vertically down here, 1, 2, and then I want you to have a go at these two. So your 1, your 2, all right? Let's have a look. I've got to move something to the other side, so the first thing I'm going to move is this x. Now, I know it's a positive x, so to undo it, I'm going to have to go minus x. So I'm going to go minus x there, but I can't just do that to one side, I have to do it to the other side. So now I have to solve this equation, 2x minus x. I've got 2x's minus an x, so you got 1x, so you got 1x, but mathematicians, we don't write 1. So I'm going to rub that out. So we're just going to have x, and then write everything else that's left there, and there's plus 18, so that's 18 there. So now there's just one thing to move. So plus 3, therefore x equals 21. Okay. Off you go. See if you can do these questions. Press pause because I'm going to give you the answer real quick, but I'm not going to go through it like explaining it like I have. Go for it. Press pause. Okay, I'm assuming they're ready to press pause, so I'm just going to do it. I'm going to move this pronumeral first, do the opposite there, do the opposite there. So now I'm left with 2x minus 7 equals 11. The next thing I'm going to move is the minus 7, so plus 7, so I'm left with 2x equals 18. So now what I'm going to do is divide by 2, therefore x equals 9. Okay, for the next one that you should have done already, I'm going to go minus 7, because I want to get rid of it there, minus 7. So that means I've got 3x, because 10 minus 7 is 3, so 3x plus 2 equals 11. Now I'm going to undo it like a normal two-step equation, which is minus 2, so I've got 3x equals 9, and now I need to undo that, so I'm going to go divide by 3, divide by 3. Therefore, x equals 3. Okay? That's the lesson on solving pronumerals solving equations with pronumerals on both sides. Peace out.